look at you go. Ooh, watch out. Oh, is it Mommy's turn to push you? What's Dada doing? Is Dada cleaning up your baby chair? Oh. Say hi, Dada. Thanks. Hi. Hey, baby. That's right. Come back to Mommy. Can you get off? Good job. Hi. Come on this way. Good job. Oh, you're fast. Come on. I love you. You really want to pushing, huh? Alright, Mommy will stop recording and push you.